as we said earlier, we're looking at the introduction to public sector accounting and finance. The first thing we're going to look at is to understand what is public sector. What is public sector? And we are saying here that public sector is all organization that is purely, look at it, that is purely controlled, that is purely or totally controlled by the state, that is totally controlled by the state or government of the country. So we're saying that public sector as it were is all organization which are not privately owned and operated. So and all organizations that are not privately owned and that are not privately operated, that is all organizations that are purely owned and controlled and operated by the government on behalf of the public, that is owned, controlled, managed,